Hey everybody, welcome back to Know Nothing Garage. Today I have a very quick video for you guys, and it's just really how to easily spruce up your car to make it look nicer and last a little longer. It's so simple, it takes like 2 minutes. So yeah, I just want to share it with you guys because I've used it for years. It works really well. So what it is this. There's other brands, but it's called Back to Black. Basically, it's just a plastic restorer. You know, a lot of plastic gets sun bleached on cars and gets very faded. There's cars that have like plastic fender fender flares right here. The front bumpers have a lot of plastic. You know, there's a lot of different pieces, the mirror caps, there's a lot of different pieces of plastic on your car, and they just get destroyed by the sun, and it can make a car look really bad even though it shouldn't, even though your car's not that old. So basically all you do, it's really easy. I have these are for fog lights. I'm not using them anymore because I have fog lights, but all you really do is you just put a little bit of this on a rag and you just wipe it on. It really is as simple as that. It's basically like a conditioner, I guess you could call it, for plastic. But if I wipe it off and dry this thing, so I just wiped it in, dry to the touch, you can already see this piece of plastic wasn't really that bad, but in the same light, you can already see it's a much richer black color than this one is. And this is, like I said, this is now dry. So that's just really quick. You can do it on any part of the car you want. I forgot to take a before shot, but I did it on this piece of trim, and this looks so much better. This thing, because it sits flat, there was a lot of water spots on here from washing it, and then there was a lot, it was very faded and bleached out because of the sun. And so I put some of this on here. It took 30 seconds and this whole piece looks brand new. You can actually see a difference here in a piece I've done versus not done. So this piece you can see is very faded. This one is really nice and black. So this piece is what this looked like before. I did do, these weren't bad, but I did these mirror caps. They look awesome and super shiny black. This car has a lot of gray plastic on it, so it doesn't do as much, like you're not going to notice it as much on this car, but it still helps condition the plastic and keep it looking the color it's supposed to. But if a car has black plastic, that's when it really makes it pop. So you can basically just choose any piece you want on your car and just test it out and see how it works. I have noticed a massive difference on that car, and it really just helps your car spruce up a bit. So like I said, it's something easy to do, helps keep things in a little bit better condition and everything. And yeah, it's simple. I mean, this bottle is, you know, a few bucks, less than 10 for sure. So that's all I want to share with you guys. Hopefully, you know, you can get one and it'll give a little more life and make your car look a little fancier as well. So that's all I have for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.